Is it accurate to say that you are one of those individuals who have dozing issues and wake up in the middle of the night? On the off chance that you experience such issues after a long time, they will make you feel dreadful and obviously, it is bad for you. Fortunately, there are 3 amazing ingredients that are required for the arrangement of this enchantment blend that will enable you to have a decent night's rest. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of honey, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. These 3 ingredients enable the body to rest amid the entire night. Additionally, this blend likewise decreases the effect of spikes in stretch hormones or cortisol that make you wake up in the night. Before going to bed, take this mix. 1. In a bowl, blend the coconut oil and honey, include some sea salt in it and blend all 3 ingredients. And now take this blend with a spoon and swallow it. At any rate, take with water. 2. You can likewise take the coconut oil and honey independently and consume it with water. On the off chance that you wake up in the middle of the night, you take it again and you will fall back snoozing, in about 30 minutes or less. How does it work? Coconuts contain fat that gives your body vitality for the duration of the night. In this way, expending it before going to bed counteracts awakening hungry. Furthermore, it forestalls expanding the glucose, which generally brings about dozing issues. Nectar doesn't expand the glucose levels, however, it encourages you to rest better. This mix offers a sufficient measure of the capacity of liver glycogen for the mind. To be specific, if there isn't sufficient liver glycogen to give vitality to the cerebrum, at that point the adrenal organs deplete more anxiety hormones, i.e., adrenaline and cortisol. What's more, high measures of these anxiety hormones can really add to risky dozing. Salt is likewise an advantageous fixing in instances of dozing issues as it helps in bringing down the anxiety hormones. It helps the generation of vitality, so it will be managed for the duration of the night. The depletion of adrenaline or cortisol can be brought down if there is satisfactory sodium in the blood. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.